Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to our online class learning initiatively. Okay, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. Again I came back to meet you. Shall we go? Already you learned about the poem and prose and now we are going to learn the grammar part vowel. Okay, before know what is that, all of you know what are the alphabets? You know alphabets are start from A to Z, isn't it? Okay, so before come to know what are the vowels, first let you say the alphabets after. Can you repeat after me? Shall we start? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, very well. No, all these are easy to learn, isn't it? So from these alphabets only we are going to learn what are the letters or vowels. Can you see this way of writing? This is a way of writing alphabets is all cursive handwriting. In the forthcoming days you have to follow the way of writing by using this way. So can you see the difference between the writing part? See, this is also capital letter and this is also capital letter of alphabets, but this is not written in the cursive format. It is a normal format of writing alphabets and this is the capital cursive letter format. Okay, very easy to learn and it is while you are writing with this way of writing, your handwriting will be legible and so neat and look so beautiful. So you have to learn the way of cursive handwriting. And this is the small letter cursive alphabets. Okay, so these are the alphabets. So why I am insisting, no, in your classwork note you have to follow the way of writing by using this cursive handwriting of small letter and capital letters. So going to now learn what are vowels. Okay, you learned what are the A, B, C, D, no, from A to Z, isn't it? So totally how many alphabets how many number of alphabets you have? Can you know? So totally you have 26. You have 26 letters. In that only 5 letters. So only 5 letters you are going to learn about as a vowel. So what is vowel? No, a speech sound made a vocal tract open. A speech sound made a vocal tract open. So I am raising a sound. No, see that. So here, so we are inhaling a gas through nose and goes to the foot pipe. Here the vocal tract is present while we are talking through our mouth, but the sound is producing here from our vocal cord. So here a sound is producing. So through that you are going to find what are the letters of vowels. So for example, see the letters, that is I left some gap. C R A R C E W L C B. Is there any meaningful word able to get? No. Now when I use this vowel in between these places, you know, you will come to know how the sound is. For example, see, there. What is it? Can you see the picture? What is it? It's a car. See, I have written no CR, in between I left the gap. See, A I have written the red color letter. No, the red letter represent it is the vowel CAR. So when you after adding this, when you pronounce car, first CR alone there. When you said your vocal did not open wider, when you after add a letter of A, CAR, car. So when you say this, your vocal get open. So A is the one of the vowel. Okay, what is the first vowel letter? A. Next is, see this, what is this? When you look at the picture, what is this? Eyes, isn't it? So before I shown a page, no, CE. So when you say CE, you did not get any meaningful word or any meaningful sentence. So after, see, the picture is eyes. Eyes. When you pronounce that, eyes. See that how our vocal sound is producing, no? Eyes. So like a, I is also one of the vowels. I, isn't it? So next, see, the look at this. It is one of our part of our organ, isn't it? So it's a sense organ, isn't it, child? So ear. So E-A-R. The letter, no, C. After added E only, you get the meaningful word. E-A-R. Ear. Ear. When you say, keep on practicing, you can come to know how the vowel sound is producing. A, E, I. So E is also one of the vowel. Understood, children? So if you keep on saying, you can come to know how the sound is producing through vocal. So these are the vowels. Shall we go and see the next letter? Next, see this. This is a bird. Owl. Okay, see the owl. What sound able to get now? When I am saying owl, O. So O is the one of the vowel. A, E, I, O. Okay. Next is C-B-E. Look at the letter U. After adding this letter, see what this is called? C-U-B-E. Cube. U sound is producing, no? When I am saying this word, cube, U. Okay, U sound is able to produce it while pronouncing this. So what is now this last vowel? U, cube. See, let me say you one more time. You see the sound, which sound able to get clearly? Car, car. Okay, ear, E sound able to get, no, ear. Next, eyes, I-C-E, eyes. Then owl, O-W-L, owl, O sound is producing. Next, last one is cube, U sound able, are you getting now? So these A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Let me write one more time. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. What are the vowels, little children? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Can you do practice now? See, vowels I have written A, E, I, O, U. So now you are going to find. Can you find the vowel letter from the following words? It's a test to you. See that. First, this is example. You find now A-P-P-L-E, apple. So can you circle the which are vowel letter present in this word? Yes, A. And E. Very good. Next, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. See, there are 3 A here in this, no? So, one A is a vowel, A is the vowel, A is the vowel, isn't it? Next word is ice cream. So, see that I is the vowel. So you found one very nicely, no? Easy to learn, no? Bus. B-U-S, bus. Next, cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. So these are the example few I gave you. Okay, with this you have to learn how to find the vowels in a word. Can you do the example by look at this picture? By you seeing this you can add which letter of vowel will use here. So what is this? Eraser. So what sound? E. So E is the vowel, no? Eraser. See that the baby looks so cute. What sound you are getting? Q. U-T-E. Very nice, easy, no? What is this picture? Mango. May-A. And when you are saying O. Easy, no, children? Next, what is this? Bag. Bag. A sound, no? A. B-A-G, bag. Next, what is this? It's a cute cat, no? Cat. A. So by this way you have to add a vowel letters. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So with the help of it you can find the vowels in the word. At the same time, very easy way I am telling you. Wherever you go and in and around your name, if you see any word, world means, so what is the vowel present in the word? O. So you find, likewise find first at the beginning, find the vowel letter everywhere, then easy to find sound and easy to do practice very well. Okay, do this at home, practice. Thank you children.